Leonardo Bonomi, Operation Manager at Thermomechanical Industrial Compressor, and I have had the privilege working with TM.I.C for past 20 years. I'd like to take a moment to walk you through our factory here in La Spezia. At Thermomechanica, we machine all of our units internally. Starting with the rotors, the heart of a rotary screw compressor. Our ultimate cutting machine line can process rotor with diameter up to 500 mm, ensuring a function of power ranging from 2.2 kW all the way up to 1 MW. Here you can see our specialized machine line to ensure the highest level of precision. We manufacture all casing in-house. This allows us to significantly reduce production time while offering customizable solutions tailored to our customers' specifications, including size, material and design modifications. Once the individual parts are machined, they move to our dedicated assembly lines. We have separated lines for both larger and smaller machines, ensuring that each compressor is built with the highest quality. Our engineers oversee every step of assembly to final checks, ensuring everything meets our strict quality standards. Once assembly is complete, we test 100% of our compressor in-house. Every unit undergoes testing to ensure it performs at its best before it leaves our factory. Thermomechanica, engineered for excellence, built just for you.